Mackworth Island. This has been here for hundreds of years. This is where they have a school for the deaf and the blind here. And they use the whole island for alternative learning environments to help kids connect with nature as part of their sensory. And the whole island walk is only about a mile around. There's a nature trail that can go around, and there's swings, and we can see a lot of animals and stuff.
Are we going on the walk here?
Yeah, we should. It was uninhabited for a long time and was recently inhabited by School for the Deaf and Blind. And they inhabit the whole island. It's about 1 mile around in circumference. There's a trail that people can take, and it also promotes alternative learning where the kids can learn in nature. They have fairy houses and communities. They learn how to make fires and camp out in the woods. They learn how to live off of nature, and they learn how to take care of themselves and be independent despite their disabilities. So it's a wonderful place for a community to get together, for children to learn in a safe environment, and for us to enjoy nature. You can see we've got the beautiful ocean front here, nature trails, trees, and just the beauty of Portland and Falmouth all around us. Right here we have Portland, which is our largest city in Maine. It's got about 75,000 people that live directly in Portland and a couple 100,000 that live in the surrounding areas. And you'll see this bridge here connects over to the town of Falmouth. That's where we live. And this whole community and the island is off of Falmouth. This is all a connection of islands. This is part of the Casco Bay Islands. And you can take a mailboat ferry that delivers mail from island to island, and people live across a variety of those islands. Very simple, clean lifestyles. And they take a mailboat to get around and get to school and back. colder here than in Nigeria, around 0 degrees Celsius on average in the winters. We have a lot of snow that comes down. We have less snow that comes onto the beaches than in inland because of the effect of the ocean. But we should usually get 6 to 12 inches of snow on any given snowstorm. Probably get about 10 to 12 storms a year, and it'd be a light dusting that covers usually around January to March.